Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Safari cannot open the page because the address is invalid. So if you find this kind of error in the Safari, so how you gonna fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So the first step to solve this error is what you have to do. You have to simply check whether your internet connection is working properly or not, which means you have to simply turn off your Wi-Fi and you have to restart it again, and you have to make sure that it is working properly. Moreover, you can also check your Wi-Fi router. So if you for this, what you have to do, if you want to restart your connection, you have to simply click on airplane mode, which means you have to turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to turn it on again so that your network connection can be restarted. And the next thing you have to check is you have to simply verify the address you are looking for, which means whether it is correct or not, which means you have to simply open a new page, and here you have to simply search for that address again, and you have to make sure that you have provided with the correct address. But if you have provided with the correct address and the error is still the same, then you can go for the next step, which is that you have to simply click on settings, and after that you have to click on general, and here you have to scroll it down until you find transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to click on that, and after that you have to simply click on reset, and here what you have to do, you have to simply reset your network setting. You have to simply click on reset network setting, and you have to reset all of your network setting, and after that you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. And if the problem is still there, maybe there be an error due to the server or error of that website. So you have to wait for some time, and after that you can check again that whether that web address is working properly or not. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.